Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano oil. We will cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to the simple steps of infusion and proper storage. Making your own oregano oil is a rewarding process, allowing you to control the quality and potency. It is a versatile herbal preparation, often used for its natural properties. Let's get started on crafting this powerful extract right in your own kitchen. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You will need approximately 1 cup of fresh oregano, ensuring it is clean and dry. For the carrier oil, select a good quality option like extra virgin olive oil or sweet almond oil. About 2 cups will be sufficient. You will also need a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, a saucepan for a double boiler method, and a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for filtering. Finally, have a dark glass bottle ready for storage. Now let's infuse the oil. First, gently bruise about 1 cup of fresh oregano leaves to help release their beneficial compounds. Place the bruised oregano into a clean glass jar and pour approximately 2 cups of your chosen carrier oil over it, ensuring the leaves are fully submerged. You can use a double boiler method, heating gently for 3 to 6 hours, or simply let it steep in a warm, sunny location for 2 to 3 weeks, shaking daily. Once infused, it is time to strain and store your oil. Carefully strain the oregano oil through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean, dark glass bottle. This helps preserve its potency. Store the finished oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, where it can last for up to 6 months. When using, remember to always dilute it with a carrier oil, such as olive or jojoba, before applying it to the skin. A few drops are usually sufficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.